Hey guys, it's Angie. Welcome back to our channel.
1 second.
So it's Friday, May 14th. Yeah. I'm just putting my bags in the car. But y'all, okay, it's hot out here. So guys, me and Linda and my sister are going to the beach tomorrow, and my mom's taking me to drop me off. But first, we just have some places to go before they drop me off. So pick up my brother, get Starbucks, go to Linda's house. That's it.
Pieces that actually fit my style. Super fast.
Hi, Beth. Linda. The beach. We're going to the beach tomorrow. And where are we going today, Best? So yeah, I didn't really get a chance. Well, I did kind of talk to them, but so we're going to the beach tomorrow morning, and my sister. Oh yeah, we're going to my sister's house. And we're gonna have like a girls' night. Hi guys. So I'm just walking. I don't know, I'm bored. This is my old TD. This is from DD's. These are from Shein. I am currently getting my stuff ready, but like I don't know what to wear. Like right now, like because like I know to wear some cozy clothes, but I just don't know what to wear. Like I don't. But I can't do anything, you know? Yeah. Okay. Oh. Linda has one. You said I'm gonna sleep up that blanket too. The small one's not gonna come. So we're leaving now with my sister. We put all our stuff in the trunk, dude. We have so much stuff.
Are you vlogging for
Yeah.
tomorrow?
Yes.
I'm gonna vlog tomorrow.
Oh my goodness. We had Wendy's last time.
What sounds good, guys?
Linda?
I'm cool with anything.
Jack in the Box, McDonald's, Wendy's. What else?
Mexican food sounds good.
Mm-hmm.
Should we just get McDonald's, honestly?
Good morning, guys. It's 5 a.m. So I get up. So when are we getting there? When are we going?
We have to be there by 7. Okay, y'all, so I just got out of the shower. I have some things that I use. So this is CeraVe. It's for eczema. Relief creamy oil, and I love how this stuff feels. Like it feels so good. I put it on my arms because I have bumps in my face. Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. Guys, I love this brand. This stuff is the best. I also have the face wash, and I love the face wash. The face wash clears my skin so quickly. So I'm using this, and I'm gonna do my makeup. Y'all, my allergies has been acting up for the past 2 days, and I don't have my medicine. So I got ready, pretty much ready. Okay, guys, we were gonna get on a 7:30 train, but my sister came up with the idea. There's another train at 9 o'clock, so we kind of just decided to do the 9 a.m. train, because honestly it is better, because if we would have went at the 7, we would have got there at like 9, and that's really early to be at the beach, and it's like so cold outside. So we'd be there by like almost 12, and that's a better time. And it would be more warm. But last night we went to the store and we got snacks. So I'm going to give you guys a haul of what we got.
For the train, got these Lay's chili lemon chips. These are super good, guys. Dynamites, gummy bears, peach ring. Guys, I love peach ring. Also, I got a Gatorade.
Oh, I said I wish this were.
Okay, guys, I love how my hair came out. I kind of just brushed it through my fingers. Wearing my swimsuit cover up. It's like a little see-through and it's just black. And it's not shorts, it's like a dress. And then I have my bathing suit under. Just black shorts. Okay, guys, so we're here. Yeah, I think so.
Something like Harry Potter.
Around to Oceanside with another expedient stop. And ladies and gentlemen, you must have a valid Metrolink ticket to ride 859, the Inland Empire Orange County line. If you've not purchased your ticket, you can go to your smartphone and go to Metrolink app and purchase your ticket that way. Also, ladies and gentlemen, our following station stops are going to be Riverside Downtown, Riverside, Los Sierra, Florida, North Canyon Road, West Anaheim Canyon, Florence, Santa Ana, Tustin,
These stairs are something.
Irvine, Laguna de Miami, San Juan Capistrano, San Clemente, North Beach, San Clemente Pier, and Oceanside. Last call, ladies and gentlemen, last call.
Guys, tickets were $32 for one person. Dude. We're just gonna chill because it's kind of a long ride, but we've done this before, so we kind of know.
Okay,
Hey, guys.
This is your break. I got mine in the.
So we are in San Clemente. Oh, it's so pretty, guys. Look. These houses. Oceanside is the next stop. And look at the beach. You guys can see because it's back there. But it's San Clemente Beach, but we go to Oceanside Beach. And it's just more chill because it's more like pretty. There's more like shops and stuff down there. So there's way more people and like people are walking. So I feel like Oceanside, actually there's still a lot of people at Oceanside, but it could be more chill there. But we've just been going to Oceanside because ever since we come on the train, so yeah, that's why. And I got some peach rings. We had some chips and we had some of our snacks, but I didn't really vlog too much. But we're already like 20 minutes away, 30 minutes away. Yeah, and then we're gonna get on the beach, and then we're gonna take photos before we get in, because we want some photos for the Instagram. If I get some, I'll put them in here. Okay, guys, we're here. Okay.
Yo, that's a cool box you got.
Thank you. Vlog at the beach? No, I did not. But I didn't vlog because we spent most of the time in the water, and then we like just laid in the sun, and I didn't really vlog. I'm sorry, I'm not vlogging. But 2:51 because the train was leaving at 2:51, and we rinsed off in the showers and then changed. So I'm wearing like this sweater, and I have black sweats on. We almost missed the train, and we had to run down the street, up the street, I mean. And now we're in here eating some snacks, like we ate chips and more peach rings. And yeah, we're in here. So what did I do? Yeah. Dang, my face looks so. Interview with Linda.
Last call, ladies and gentlemen, last call for Laguna Niguel, Mission Viejo. Stand clear.
Beach day. Yeah. And she's probably gonna fall asleep. Hey, I will sleep now, then to sleep later when you want me to stay. And she has to stay up today. Because last time, I'm gonna go to sleep. Yesterday, you fell asleep early and I was awake by myself and I was scared. I couldn't go to sleep because I moved and that, like, the blinds were closed, right? But there was still a part, so I kept on looking right there because I was scared and I couldn't go to sleep because my, like, I don't know, I didn't fit right there. So what are you gonna do today? I don't know. Probably not sleep on my couch because I don't fit. I'm long. Guys, we're gonna have canes today. Yes, we're gonna get canes, and I'm probably gonna fall asleep because I have this blanket. And yeah, Best, are you gonna fall asleep? Probably. She stole my blanket.
All station stops are brief.
All right, guys.
Is our next stop.
Oh, what time is it, Best? 3:30. Oh, 3:30. It feels later. All right, guys. Bye. Hey guys, so it's like it's 2 days later, kinda. Yeah, 2 days later. I wanted to end the vlog. I wanted to say I didn't vlog too much at the beach, which I'm kind of bad at that. Like whenever we our past beach vlogs, we don't vlog that much, but it's kind of like you're in the water. Like for me and Linda, when we go to the beach together, we're not like other people like who just want to sit in the sand and like tan, or we don't just sit there. Like, guys, we want to have fun. We get in the water, we go far, and we just have fun. So that's kind of why we don't vlog, because most of the time we spend it's in the water. It's Monday, we just went on a hike, we're at the store we're gonna make some breakfast, and then I'm gonna do some school. But I'm gonna try to edit this today and post it today, because we went Saturday, and then after school I'm gonna do some editing. My phone's gonna die, but I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Bye guys.